So the next one is for living people, whose is generally used, and for things that are non-living, which is used. So when you come across such a passage, you have to identify whether the things or whether whatever is being referred here is about the people or about the things or objects. When it is referring to the living people, then whose will be used, but if it is for the things, then which will be used. For example, which phone is kept on charging? As here it is talking about whose phone is kept on charging. So the correct one would be whose phone is kept on charging. Whose parents have come here to see you. And the next one is fewer. As fewer is used for denoting number, while less is used for denoting quantity. No less than 30 dogs were. No less than 30 dogs. As we know that, my dear students, dogs are countable and they denote numbers. So with it, less will not be used. It is incorrect. No fewer than 30 dogs were is correct, as 30 dogs denote numbers, so fewer can be used. And the next one, that is another important tool of subject verb agreement, and it will really be helpful for you while doing your editing task. Then this one is sentences are always opposite to question tag. For example, if the question tag is positive, then the sentence is negative and vice versa. Suppose if there is affirmative sentence, then the question tag will be in negative. Or suppose the question tag is in negative, then the sentence would be in positive. So they would be the opposite to each other. For example, it's a bit early. Is it? Is incorrect. Because as you can see that it's a bit early is a positive, is affirmative sentence. So the question tag would be in negative. So the correct one would be it's a bit early, isn't it? Let's take another example. I'm a good singer. Am I not? You are a good student, aren't you? So if the question, it would be the opposite to each other. You have to keep only this thing in mind. Let's take another example. He hasn't done this mischief, has he? Now let's take the next rule. Instead of who or which, the relative pronoun that is used after adjectives in the superlative degree. I repeat, instead of who or which, the relative pronoun that is used after adjective in the superlative degree. Let's have a look on the example. These are the best which he could get. These are the best which he could get is incorrect. And the correct would be these are the best that he could get. If we are connecting the first sentence with the next one, as it is giving more information about the first part, so instead of using who or which, the correct would with the superlative degree. As we know that there are 3 degrees. The first one is positive degree, the second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. And superlative degree is the degree that we use for the comparison between more than 2. And when we are talking about the superlative degree, then in the relative pronoun, instead of who or which, it would be correct to use that as a relative pronoun. So these are the best which he could get would be incorrect. These are the best that he could get. Let's take another example. This is the frock which my mother bought me. This is the frock which my mother bought me. Here the usage of which would be correct. But when we talk about the superlative degree, it is preceded by superlative degree, then there that would be the correct usage. And the next one is not is never used with unless, as unless expresses a condition that is always used in the negative sense, as unless itself contains the negative meaning. For example, unless you don't pay the fine, you will not be excused. It would be the wrong one, as unless itself contains the negative meaning. So the correct one would be unless you pay the fine, you won't be excused. Unless he reaches here, I won't move. And the next one, while implies the time duration of doing something and when denotes a general sense. As students often get confused between the usage of while and when. So while implies a time duration of doing something and when denotes a general sense. So let's take example. When learning how to box, the technique is of utmost importance would be incorrect one, as is a time duration. So while learning how to box, the technique is of utmost importance. So it would be the correct one. When we talk about the time duration, then we'll use while. And when we talk about time in general sense, then we'll use when. So these are the few rules that we must keep in mind while going for the editing task. And I really hope that these few tips are really be very beneficial for you when you will be doing your editing task. And I really hope that you will do a lot of practice to this work. And after that, I'm going to share with you an assignment related to error finding. So hopefully you will complete all the work that I am going to assign you. Thank you.